Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Logics. My name is Sunil Pandey and today we are going to see a very interesting topic, top 5 Excel charts shortcuts. So today we will see top 5 shortcuts in charts. Okay, so let's see the top 5 shortcuts first. The first one is Control plus 1. Second one is Alt plus EST, Control C and Control V to add new data, F4 to repeat last action, and Tab key for selecting item. So let's see the first one, Control plus 1 to format the chart. Okay, so we have a data like this. Month and the product. Okay, so let's insert a chart first. Okay, so I have insert a chart like this, and suppose I want to format the particular area within the chart. So rather than doing right click and do the formatting, you just press Ctrl plus 1. So there is one box is coming over here, and from here you can format a chart. Suppose I have clicked over here, so it will open this. Suppose I want to change, if you want to show a unit rather than 1, instead of 1, you can show a unit of 3 months. It looks better. And suppose you want to format a number, like if you don't want to show Jan 21, instead of Jan 21, you want to show a month only. So put MMM, add, that would be better to show. Okay, and suppose you want to change the gap within this. So if you don't need to click again, you don't need to press again Ctrl plus 1. Once you press Ctrl 1, and if you click anywhere, you can change from here. Okay, so let's do the formatting. Let's increase the gap, decrease the gap, and here why it's showing minus 27, it should be 0. Okay, so this is the first shortcut, Control plus 1 for formatting a chart. Okay, if you want to change anything in that, you can change it. Suppose if you want to change a color, you can go here and change the color from here. Okay, right? So this is the first shortcut, Control plus 1 to format a chart, area. Now the second one is Alt plus EST. Okay, let's see. Suppose I want to insert one more chart like this. Okay, and this one is looking very good, and same thing if your manager want to a same chart and same format chart, this one also, so again you don't need to do again the same formatting, just need to do, just copy this and select that chart and press Alt E S and now press T, click OK. Okay, this is super easy. Okay, so Alt E S shortcut is copying the chart format. Okay, got it? And now the third one is Control C and Control V to add a new data. Okay, so suppose this is for soap, and if your manager want to show the shampoo data also in same chart, so simply you don't need to you can change from here, select data and add one more data, but super easy shortcut is just copy this and select the chart and paste it. Okay, so now your shampoo data is also added in this. You can change the legend as per this and your chart title also, but Control C and Control V is a shortcut for adding new data within the chart. Okay, now the fourth shortcut is F4 to repeat last action. So now let's see the fourth shortcut of this one, the F4. F4 to repeat the last action. Okay, so just imagine you have lot of chart in your dashboard like this, and you want to repeat your last action to every chart. Okay, let's see, like I'm increasing the font, changing the color like this. So what you need to do, just select this one, press F4, select this one, press F4, select this one, press F4. Okay, you don't need to do it every chart. Suppose I want to make it bold, select, press F4, select, press F4, press F4. So F4 is super easy shortcut for repeating your last action. Okay, got it? And the last one, this is not the last, the tab key, the selecting item. Okay, suppose you are changing anything, you have to click in every chart. Okay, but suppose let me give some color like this. Let me give the dark color. Okay, and if you want to select within the chart, just click anywhere and press tab key, and now press select anything. If you want to move from here, from this axis to this axis, just press tab. Okay, got it? See, you don't need to click like this from mouse. Just select anything and press tab key. Okay, let me do some formatting here like this. So just select, press F4, select F4, F4, select F4. So the tab key, the fifth tab key is the fifth shortcut of the chart is tab key for selecting the item within the chart. Okay, from moving from one axis to another axis for selecting your item within the chart, that is for tab key. Okay, and I am showing one bonus shortcut is equal to. Okay, suppose in this chart we have a data for soap as well as shampoo. Okay, so let's do soap and again and percent shampoo data, soap and shampoo data, and here just click on this and your formula bar just press equal to sign and select this one, press enter. Got it? So for equal to formula you can give a cell reference your chart title. Suppose you want to show a percentage of these sales and your number are changing, your values are changing. So you can give a cell reference, either you can give within this sheet or another sheet also. So equal to formula is very useful. So let's repeat all the 5 shortcuts. The first one is Ctrl+1 to format the chart, and second one is Alt plus EST for copying the format. Means you can copy the format from one chart to the another chart, and for adding new data, the Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. F4 is super easy and very useful formula, very useful shortcut is repeat your last action, and tab key is selecting item within the chart. So I hope you understood all the 5 shortcuts in chart. Okay, if you have any query regarding all 5 Excel chart shortcuts, you can email me. I will solve your query. Thank you so much. Have a great day.